I'm Michael Davison, Managing Director of First Aid Sport, and today we're going to talk through fitting a Donjoy armour. So first things first, to measure a Donjoy armour, sitting on a chair, you want to be able to see down your shin with your foot flat on the floor, and then you find the top of your kneecap and you measure 6 inches up, and then you measure around your thigh. And Joanne here measures about 21 inches, which is about perfect for a large. A little trick, if you obviously haven't got long tape measures or anything like that, is use a piece of string or a belt or anything like that that you can wrap around and then lay out on a table and measure with a tape measure or anything like that. But you just need to measure, find the top of the kneecap, 6 inches up, round the thigh, with your leg in this sort of angle, and that's your sort of starting measurement. Okay, so when you take the armour out of the box, it looks like this. Just so you know, this, we're doing the left leg here. On the inside of the left leg, the condyle pads, which are these bits that sit on the side, the inside one should have a lump at the top. So make sure that the condyle pads are on the right way round. They're all numbered on the Donjoy armour: 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 at the rear. So you go in that order when you're putting it on. So, and again, a quick tip when you're doing a Donjoy armour fitting is stick all the Velcro back down, otherwise you get in a complete Velcro mess. So you simply slide the knee brace up the leg, keep the leg in the same position if you can, and then what you're looking to do, it sits much higher than people naturally think. So what you're looking to do is slide it into position, find the top of the kneecap again, and then the N in the middle of Donjoy to the N on both sides should line up with the top of the kneecap. So it sits much higher than people naturally think. And again, a really good way to know it's fitting is this strap, number 5, sits right in the V on the back of your knee, and it just sits nicely in there. And then you start at the bottom, one hand holding the cuff up, and then you simply undo this, pop it through, do it up as tight as it feels comfortable. Sometimes with this cuff strap, this Velcro piece overlaps at the bottom. So again, a really good thing just to understand is underneath this strap, it can be completely adjusted. So it's all Velcro and adjustable, so we can customise that, or you can customise that to make sure you get the right fit. Stick that back on to make sure that that's join is covered and it's in the centre of the shin. And again, just cup the kneecap, the cuff, lift it up. So that's number 1. Keep in mind where the armour's fitting. And again, with the top strap, which is the number 2, as you feed it in, you simply push down and then smooth the strap round so it gets a good grip on the thigh. Strap number 3, which is the one at the back of the knee, is possibly the most important because it keeps the hinges in the right place. So again, as you feed it down, just smooth it out on the thigh, and you'll see that if Joanne bends his leg up now, it sits right in the centre of the knee. It's not in the front, it sits right in the middle of the knee joint. So, and then number 4, we've really loosened off this one at the back. So you just give this side a bit of a pull. This is a sort of skirt system. So you go over with one and then this one. This is a little bit of annoyance because sometimes this Velcro is exposed and it does catch the back of this strap. So what you've got to try and do is get your finger underneath, get it nice and tight before it catches the Velcro, and then get it down So with number 5, the back of the calf, I can feel that it's a really good fit on the Jaren's calf. So this just needs to be relatively loose. So what we've got now is a Donjoy armour in the right place. You know how it fits. You shouldn't be able to get your finger through the thigh frame. So it's a really nice tight fit on the thigh. The calf again is a perfect cup. We've got a slight issue with Jaren on this side because he's got a slightly bowed leg. So it's just, let me take these off so we can see, just might cause some irritation on this side. So what we might do is alter this side by just altering the straps, but we'll just see when he stands up. So Jaren, if you just stand up like that, just face that way. So what we've got is when he bends his knee forward a little bit, you can see that it's gripping his knee. Just turn sideways, facing that door, and then that's it. So you can see it comes down, fits in the middle. This straps it neatly on the back of the joint, so you know it's in the right place. Calf sits perfectly, and that's a really well-fitting armour knee brace.